Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast delights with the quest for the best mini waffle maker. Whether you're a breakfast enthusiast or just love a quick treat, we've got you covered. Stick around to discover the top contenders in the mini waffle maker realm. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get waffling. Number 1. Cuisinart Mini Belgian Waffle Maker, the ultimate solution for waffle enthusiasts craving a delightful breakfast experience. Crafted with precision by Cuisinart, this sleek round mini waffle iron, in stunning silver, promises to elevate your mornings. With its compact design and efficient performance, the WAF200P1 ensures you can enjoy perfectly crispy, golden Belgian waffles in no time. Its non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze, while the indicator lights guarantee foolproof cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this waffle maker's simplicity and reliability make it a must-have addition to any culinary arsenal. Elevate your breakfast game with the Cuisinart Mini Belgian Waffle Maker and savor the taste of perfection every morning. Number 2. Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker, the ultimate breakfast companion for families and individuals alike. This innovative kitchen gadget boasts 4 4-inch mini waffles, perfectly sized for satisfying cravings without the fuss of large batches. Its dual non-stick surfaces ensure effortless cooking and easy cleanup, while the quick-release feature guarantees flawlessly shaped waffles every time. The sleek graphite design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Whether you're whipping up breakfast for the family or treating yourself to a solo brunch, this waffle maker delivers convenience and versatility in one compact package. Say goodbye to breakfast dilemmas and hello to delicious mornings with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Number 3. Crownful Mini Waffle Maker Machine, a game-changer for breakfast enthusiasts and snack lovers alike. This sleek black chaffle maker boasts a compact design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Its non-stick surface ensures hassle-free cooking and effortless cleaning, while the included recipe guide sparks creativity for delicious meals beyond just waffles. From crispy breakfast treats to savory sandwiches and mouth-watering desserts, this versatile appliance delivers endless culinary possibilities. With its user-friendly interface and quick heating capability, whipping up a delightful snack has never been easier. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to culinary adventure with the Crownful Mini Waffle Maker Machine, your ticket to flavorful experiences every day. Number 4. Elite Gourmet EWM015M Electric Non-Stick 4.5-inch Mini Waffle Maker, a game-changer in the world of breakfast appliances. This compact dynamo packs a punch, effortlessly churning out delectable Belgian waffles, crispy hash browns, keto-friendly snacks, savory sandwiches, and perfectly cooked eggs with ease. Its minty fresh design adds a pop of color to any kitchen while its non-stick surface ensures hassle-free cleaning. With its versatile functionality and space-saving design, this mini waffle maker is a must-have for any kitchen aficionado. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or indulging in a midnight snack, the Elite Gourmet EWM015M makes every meal a treat. Say goodbye to breakfast woes and hello to culinary delight with this innovative appliance. Number 5. Procter Silex Double Mini Waffle Maker Machine. This compact powerhouse is a game-changer for breakfast enthusiasts. With its 4-inch round non-stick grids, it crafts 2 perfectly personalized keto chaffles or hash browns in a snap. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Its efficiency and versatility make morning routines a breeze, catering to individual preferences with ease. Say goodbye to long breakfast prep and hello to delicious, hassle-free mornings with the Procter Silex Double Mini Waffle Maker Machine. In conclusion, the journey to finding the best mini waffle maker has been deliciously enlightening. Whether you're a breakfast aficionado or simply enjoy a sweet treat, these compact wonders offer endless possibilities. From crispy edges to fluffy centers, they're a must-have addition to any kitchen. So, which one will you choose to elevate your waffle game? Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more culinary explorations, and be sure to like and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy waffling!